Welcome back to another video. Today I've got a quick video for you walking you through how to prevent job seekers from finding your ad. And the reason why I'm making this video is we recently had a client that was running into this issue. Actually, we had multiple clients running into this issue. And it happened out of nowhere. We've been running these campaigns for a while, and then all of a sudden we started listening back to these calls, and job seekers were calling, and we were just wondering what was going on. And so we did a deep dive into this problem. We made three major changes, and I'll walk through the one that worked for us first, but we also made two other changes that I believe helped. So let's jump right into it. The first thing that worked was we went into the campaign settings and simply deselected an option. We went in and we went to networks and we excluded the Google search partners. Some reason out of nowhere, something happened with Google search partners where Google added this. They may have added a job seeker website. They added something to where it started getting a lot of clicks and a lot of traffic to the search partners network. And once we turned this off, it completely eliminated anyone from finding our ads for job seekers. We didn't have any more people looking for jobs when they were calling in. So remove Google search partners here. The second thing that we did is we went into the audience, and what we did is we went ahead and added exclusions, and we added employment exclusion. So anyone looking for employment was going to be excluded from this list. So what I would do here is type in employment. And type in employment here. And what you're going to want to do is select anything that's related, not related to your to what you think is important. What I like to do is just select all the employment sections here, all the in-market audiences that are employment. So employment, government, education jobs, agricultural jobs. And if you look into it, you'll notice that the description here is people interested in finding jobs in the transportation, telecommunications, or utility industry. This one's people interested in finding jobs in the accounting industry or finance industry, and so on. These are people looking for IT jobs. So just remove people looking for jobs in your industry or in all the industries. In this case, we removed it in all the industries. The next thing we did, and the third final thing that we did, which is very important for any campaign, is if you've got a lot of broad match or just general keywords like moving company, for example, here for this moving campaign, you're gonna want to make sure that you're either using phrase or exact match. If you're using broad match, it's very common that you're gonna get found. If you don't have the negative keywords, it's very common you're gonna get found for a lot of search terms that are related to jobs or employment. So what you're gonna wanna do here is you're gonna wanna click on this, say this was broad, you're just gonna click and hit phrase or exact match. Now, if you're saying, hey, I like my broad match, I don't want to change it. Broad match has been picking up good keywords. We're running it and we like it. That's okay. There's another avenue you can take. Is you go into the negative keyword list and you add jobs, employment, employer in the negative keyword list. And the way you do this, and the way I would do this, is do this to the add a campaign, and then what I would type in on Google is I would type in jobs related to negative keywords. And you're going to scroll down, select this one, and we're going to go ahead and click job related negative keywords. And then what I would do is I would highlight all these, copy, and paste them here. So anyone looking for an employer, hiring, interns, job, looking for work, new hires, salary, anybody looking for anything related to a job, you're going to completely eliminate. So select save. And right there, that should help you prevent people from finding you, from people looking for a job and finding your ad and clicking on your ad and costing you money. So those aren't the type of people you want clicking on your ad, really ever. So it's a good thing that you're not, that's what you want. You want to set it up with this negative keyword. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. As always, we answer them as quick as possible. If you guys are looking for consulting, Google Ads management, or anything related to Google Ads, we can help. Get in touch with us at max-conversion.com and we'd be happy to help. But again, any questions, comments, leave them down below. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this.